everyone, welcome to Gochi Academy's creative art activity for children. So we are going to explore a new technique today again. So let's just go ahead and see what new technique that we have in the video today. So for today's technique, all we need is a roll of masking tape, scissors and a piece of tissue paper. So I'm just going to use this thick masking tape today. If you want, you can use the thinner one which is available in the market. So you can randomly cut a piece of masking tape and you can paste it anywhere. Make sure you paste this on a piece of cloth before you paste it on the sheet, so that it takes off most of the glue and it will be very easy for you to peel it off and it won't actually tear the sheet. So you can actually try to paste it on a piece of cloth first and then you can paste it on the sheet. Don't press it really hard. It can be just, gently here and there, and you can paste it anywhere you like and make any designs that you like. So I'm just going to make a very simple one today just to show you an idea of, yes, you can even do this. So yeah, done. So I'm just going to take a piece of tissue paper, crush it, and this is how I'm going to paint the empty spaces. This is such a joy doing it because you will have this color and it just gives you a kind of very beautiful pleasure using these colors because you're touching them directly. So it's done, and now I'm just going to peel these off slowly. I'm just taking this out really very fast just for the video, but you can actually wait till this paint dries. So I'm just going to take off the border one as well. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? You can do anything on the empty space as well. Just try to explore something of your choice. It's a beautiful work, isn't it? So hope you have enjoyed this video. I have used big size tape, so you can feel free to find the smaller one, or you can try to bring some wordings on this. So try exploring. This is just the basic ideas that I'm giving. On my future videos, I'm going to give you more techniques. So keep exploring and be creative. I'll see you on my another video. Until then, thank you very much from Meenatchi, Gopal.